पाकिस्तान ने 9/11 के बाद अमेरिका के साथ शामिल होकर बहुत भयानक गलती की। वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान कहते हैं इस जंग में 70,000 पाकिस्तानी शहीद, 200 अरब डॉलर का मुआशी नुकसान हुआ।
अमेरिका की जानिब से अमन मुआहिदा मंसूख करने से हमें तकलीफ हुई। अमेरिका मजीद 19 साल लड़कर भी अफगानिस्तान में जीत नहीं सकता।
Pakistan, by joining the US after 9/11, committed one of the biggest blunders. 70,000 Pakistanis died in this. We had, some say over 150 billion, some say 200 billion, some economists, Pakistanis, 200 billion lost to the economy. And on top of it, we were blamed for the US not winning in Afghanistan. Fortunately, President Trump has done, by him forcing there to be a dialogue, and then this peace deal, which was just about to be signed. This is painful for us. The peace deal was about to be signed, and President Trump has reread it in the papers. I mean, we should have at least been discussed with us. But now I'm meeting President Trump later on, and I will try and tell him that, look, there's not going to be a military solution. For 19 years, if you have not been able to succeed, you're not going to be able to succeed in another 19 years.